So, the next topic we are going to learn, if in doubt, dress smart. Dressing smart is very important, my dear friends, while we are into the sales. Try to be formal, don't be a casual. Always, dressing smart is one of the key. Either you might be females or males or whatever it might be, but dressing smart is very, very important, my dear friends. So, here dressing smart is very important stuff because most of the people in us, we will be gonna go ahead and stop thinking about dressing smart. Whatever it might be, however it looks, let it be. That's where the questions we would be. Dressing smart is very, very important, my dear friends. I am not asking you to change your color or change your methodology of walk or your style of looking, whatever it might be. When you are dealing with the professionals, they should not feel like degrading yourself. Am I speaking with not equivalent person who is capable to talk to me? Always people will judge you by your looks only. Always. In sales especially, we are in sales profession to provide some services. It's not so easy to mingle or just to explain something and come out of it. When you are looking, you should look good. They should feel comfortable to sit with you. They should feel comfortable to talk with you. And you will feel confident. You will not lose your confidence when you are dressing smart. Always dress smart. You will not have any doubts. Am I looking ugly? Am I looking scary? Am I smelling bad? I am looking greasy? When dressing smart will build your confidence. Build your confidence. When you look good, when you feel good, you will be comfortable. When you have comfort, then you will get confidence. When you are confident, you can sell anything. It's all interlinked. It's all interlinked. I'm not asking you to be so formal, but dress smart. It's very important, my dear friends. When you're going to the meetings, don't get into a t-shirt and a jeans or a short. You are not going for a resort or for a fun. Look professional. Talk professional. Body language is very, very important in the sales presentations, my dear friends. When you start feeling confident, you can do anything. As you know, our one of the key thing is confidence. If we don't have that confidence, even to step into the office also we will feel uncomfortable sometimes, because oh, this is not the place I should walk in. Oh, this is not the place I should be sitting in. We will have only the confidence when we dress smart, when we look good. You will not have any doubts. You will be clear. Whatever you are comfortable in, be in that. But when you are attending a business meetings, Dress smart. It's a very simple tip, but it's very important. It's very, very important, my dear friends. We will say, don't judge a book by its cover, but people will judge the book by its cover only. We cannot change everyone's mind. We cannot change everyone's prospect of looking at us. Right? So, look smart, feel good, be confident. You can do anything, my dear friends. There is nothing, there is no rocket magic here where you can do everything, which is every human can do it. When every human can do it, we can also be an Elon Musk, right? So be confident, live with confidence. That will empower you, that will give you a lot of positive energy, and it will make you so much confident. With this note, let me catch you with the next topic. Thank you. Thanks for listening to me.